Do it again.
Why?
Because I want to put it on YouTube. Do it again. I want to put it on my channel. Now do that duck thing you just did. And what those guys funny noises? They like to shit. Wait. Hold it facing me for a minute.
Yep, that means like he likes sheep. I gotta go any further with that one. So. No, you should. No, I'm not going to.
Grandma, do you got any funny noises you can make?
No, I'm not going to.
You got any funny noises you can make? Yeah.
Wait, just do the time warp.
He will count go.
She's a giggler.
Amanda's a screamer! Amanda's a screamer!
Wilson, stop tickling her.
She's ticklish too.
Be Nike! Just do it!
Just poke it.
Back off. Do it. Just sit.
That's so cute!
I could do it without my
That's so cute! That's so cute!
What was that? Crazy.
Do it again.
It's like you're like.
What was that?
Again.
Like a ventriloquist.
She does this weird thing with her throat. Watch. She does this weird thing.
I can meow.
It's like a bird.
Okay. I'm sorry, I don't feel like any of the
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, I hate to tell you that it's